Okay, good morning class. So you guys had some homework? As per usual. We're going to start off with Bodmas. Okay, so those were the 5 sums I gave you guys to do for today, not so? Yes. Right. And this was out of book A, worksheet 2. Right. So number 22, the answer was 14. 24 is 1 over 10. 26 is 9. 28 is 20. And 30 is 2 over 5. Okay, is there any issues with those sums on the board, with those answers on the board? Yes, Michael? Sorry? Number 28. Okay? Zero, come on. Okay, so you read for me what you have written.
5 divided by
Yes?
0,
0, 250. Okay, so what you did was, you said 0, 125, or you can say 125 times 2, gave you 10, that was 5, 2. Since this 1, 2, 3 decimals after the comma, that's how you got 0, 25. No? Alright, that is fine. We didn't need the 0 here, but you got it, so it's fine as well. Carry on.
And I divided by 5, which was 0.5.
So you said 5 divided by 0, like that. And now what did you get?
0.5.
So how do you get that? You use a calculator. Sorry? No? So how did you get 0, 50?
I thought it was 0.250 divided by 5.
Okay. So how did you divide by 5? Sorry?
I just divided by 5.
Oh, you say 5 goes into both. Is that what you did?
The mistake that I made was that I did 0.250 divided by 5 instead of 5 divided by 5.
So what was your answer? 0, 0.5. 0, 0.50. Is that what you have? If you tell us, okay, 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 25 how many times? 5 times. So 0, 0.5. So that is fine, that is right. But it's 1 over that. Okay? Which then results in 0, 0.5 is the same as 5 over 10. Not so. Or 50 over 100. So you got 1 divided by 50 over 100 or 5 over 10 or half, which in turns mean 1 divided by 5 over 10, which then becomes 1 multiplied by 10 over 5. And 5 is to 10 how many times? Okay? Now why do I have 20? Okay, I made a mistake somewhere. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 going to... No, the 0, 5. There's my mistake. 0, 0.05. Because if you say 5 divided by 0, 0.20, right? 5 can't go into 0, so it's 0. So no carry, 5 goes into 2, can't go. Carry 2, 5 into 25, 5. So that's my mistake. Not 0, 5, 0, 0.05. And that's the same mistake you made. Okay? Then it's going to be then it's going to be 5 over 100, not so, which in turn becomes 1 divided by 5 over 100, which now becomes 1 multiplied by 100 over 5, which is 20. Okay. But I don't like working with decimals. Okay. So what I would have done was, I would have changed this to a fraction. So it's 5 divided by 2 multiplied by 0,125 can be written as 125 over 1000. So it's 5 divided by 2 goes into 2 once, this was over 1. 2 goes into 100, 1000, 500 times. Not so. 25 goes into 125 5 times. 25 goes into 50 twice, and there's another 0. Then we say, okay, 5 goes into 5 once, 5 going to 20 4 times. So I got, that is one term now, not so. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 4 is 4, which now gives us 5 multiplied by 4 over 1, which is 20. Okay. As I said, for us it's easy, for me basically it's easier to work with fractions. That's why I'd rather change everything to fractions first. You all understand? You got it, Michael? Right. People, what else is the issue here? Yes?
Number 30.
30. No problem. Number 30. So that makes that right. Number 30. You got 5 and 3 over 5 divided by 6 plus 8. Okay? Did I get it this way? We'll do it this Monday. And we can look at the memo as well Monday. Okay, so go for it, Michael. What did you do?
I said 28 over 5.
So that's 25 plus 3. It's 28 over 5, which is correct.
Then I said divided by open brackets 14.
14, which is correct. 14 over 1. Carry
I
on.
said 28 over 5
Yeah.
times 1 over 4.
1 over 14 or 4?
4 over 14, sorry.
Right, carry on.
And then I simplified, so it's 2 over 5 times 1 over 2.
So 14 goes into 14
1.
once. But you got a 2 here.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, it's 1. 14 goes into here twice. So 2 times 1 is 2 over 5. Right, you wrote the 2, it's supposed to be 1. Okay, anything else? Okay. So before we go into, I think we must first go into the next part of the work before I give you a new homework. So the homework was chapter 4, check your skills, exercise, check your skills page 68. The skills 8 page 67. Okay. So the first answer there, skills 8 page 67, is 2,356. Is that correct? Huh? Yes. Number 3 is 23,658. Number 5 is 6,352. Number 7 is 96,325. Number 9 is 63,251. Number 11 is 21,547. Where did I lose you? Number 9. 63,251. Number 11 is 21,547. Number 13 is 6,325. Number 15 is 63,298. Number 17 is 2,468. And number 19 is 2,468. Okay? Then you have to do number 10. The first one is you have to divide it by 10, not so. So that answer is, so, huh? Did I give you skill 9 to do? Yes, okay. So you have to divide by 10, so it's 8,148,2 divided by 10 is 814,008,82. Divided by 100 is 81,482. Divided by 1000 is 8.1482. Okay. The next number you have to do was 183,213. Is that correct? Would you guys do the whole table? Whole table. For those of you who did the whole table, the second question was, but if you didn't do the whole table and just did every alternate one, we are now, no? The first one is going to be 9,046,31. The next category divided by 100 is going to be 904,631. Divided by 1000 is 90,4631. 183,214 divided by 10 is 18,3214. Divided by 100 is 1,83214. Divided by 1000 is 0,183214. The next one is 8,234 divided by 10 is 823,4. The next category is 82,34, and the last one is 8,234. 72 divided by 10 is 72. Divided by 100 is 0,72. Divided by 1000 is 0,072. Then in number 10,
sorry, sir.
yes.
The first one for that, my numbers is 8,142,8. These numbers different because
Okay, let's just read the first category again. The first question was 8,142,2. No? Okay. They have it the other way around. Okay, so the answer here at the back is not right. So the number is actually 82,8. So then it is 814,28. Divided by 1000 is 81,428, and the last one is 8,1428. Okay. Thank you. Then number 10, they convert the decimals into fractions. So the first one is 6/10, which is 3/5. You must simplify it, okay? The next one is 1/10. Number 4 is 23/100. Oh, number 5. Why am I going with number 4? It's 55/1, 2, 3, 4. 10,000. So it's 55/10,000. Now 5 goes into both. Not so. Which gives you 11/2,000. Yes, Michael, your hand is up. You want to say 11/2. Nice. Remember, when you're busy with fractions, you must always simplify. Okay. Number 7. Number 7 is 75/1,000. But 25 goes into 75 3 times, and 25 goes into 1,000 40 times. So it's going to be 3/40. Number 9. Am I on number 9 now? Yes, number 9 is 0,0135, which is 135/10,000, which simplifies into 27/2,000. Okay. Number 11 is 2 and 8/10. 2,8. So it's going to be 2 and 8/10, which is 2 and 4/5. Number 13 is 8,42. So it's 8 and 21/50. So it's 8 and 42/100 first, which is then 8 and 21/50. Number 21 There's no 21. Sorry, man. 15. This 21,26. Okay, so it's going to be 21 and 26 over 100, which is 21 and 13 over 50. Number 17 is 13,028. So it's 13 and 28 over 100, which is 13 and 7 over 250. Number 19 is 3,012, which in turn gives you an answer of 3 and 3 over 250. I see most of you are writing here when I give you the final answer. So what I would like you to do is, for homework, you're going to do skill 10, the even numbers. Okay, do you understand where you went wrong? You must simplify. Okay, you guys understand? So your first homework is going to be skill 11 on page 68. Then I gave you skill 12 to do as well, correct? Yes. From this worksheet, no? Page 68. Right. Yes, Michael. You see what you do wrong here is, you see 4 goes into 28 7 times, and 4 goes into 10,000. 4 goes into 100, 25 and 2 zeros, 2,500. So 7 over that, and that is the same. Is that not the same?
So you said 7 over 250.
No. Number 17. What number is this? Number 17. People just check number. There's 1, 2, 3. Oh, you got 1 0 too many. There's 3 digits. So I must have 1, 2, 3 zeros. You got 10,000. The cost have been 1,000. Okay. Yes?
So, no, if one is 3, it would be these numbers, you want to still 10 with the even numbers.
And skill 11. No. From page 68, it was skill 9 and 10 only. Okay, no problem. Just hang on. She's the one who takes the homework, so I'm sure she's doing the right thing. Okay, so give her a chance first, and then we'll discuss where we went wrong, who must understood you. Okay, no use you shouting over, and then she's going to shout back. Okay, and there's chaos. Alright, so you see it was skill 8. But we didn't mark 8 now. We did mark 8. And we marked 9. And we marked now 10. Yes, I remember, that's correct. Yeah. So you did the odd numbers there. You had no problems with the skill 11. I'm sorry, skill 8. No problems. No, we did that yesterday. Then you did skill 9 and skill 10. I gave you homework again on skill 10. Okay. Yes, the even numbers. Then we were at page 55, no? Was that the other page you want? The diagnostic. Just hang on. Skill 11, it says make the following fractions into decimals. We did this. Yes, then you had to do skill 11, even numbers. Didn't I give you skill 9, the even numbers? Not skill 9. I'm getting confused here. Skill 11. I didn't give you skill 11. Yes. So I must still do skill 11 now. Yes. Okay. So you guys are arguing over the same thing. So you say this is also homework, not so? And she's saying this is also homework. You see, there's the same thing we're arguing about. Right. Skill 11, page 68. Here we go. Skill 11, and this we spent some time yesterday on this. Okay, so if you still have a problem, please let me know, and then I will try and explain. Okay, just remember the recurring numbers with a dot on top. Okay. Again, they didn't specify that the answer, recurring answers must be in the recurring form. So if you don't write in recurring form, it's fine. Okay. We're going to read the answer to 2 decimal places if it carries on. Otherwise, okay. Skill 11, you have to do the odd numbers. The first answer is 0,2 is correct. Number 3, 0,5. Number 5, 0,6 or 0,6 recurring. Number 7, 0,81, 0,82, 0,81 recurring. All of those are acceptable. Okay. Number 9, 0,2 recurring or 0,22. 0,2 is fine. Number 11, 0,083 recurring. Okay, or 0,083 or 0,0833, whatever, in that format. Number 13, 0,2, not 6, 2, 8, 5, 7, 1, 4. If you had gone on there, you would have seen that it would have been 0,285714, 285714. So it's actually 0,285714. All those numbers are recurring. Okay. Number 15, 0,375. Number 17, 0,125. Number 19, 0,416 recurring, or 0,42 or 0,416 is all acceptable. You guys have problems with that? No. Okay, so you don't need extra work on that. Okay. When did I give you skill 12 to do? Even numbers from 68? Odd numbers from page 68. Nice. Skill 12, the odd numbers are as follows. The first answer is 10.448 is correct. The girl that got number 1 wrong, who said 9 comma something, what did you get for number 3? 6 comma 19. 6 comma 19. The same girl who read that answer, what's your answer to number 5? That's correct. 0,40. Carry on, my girl. Number 7. 4,51. Is that correct? That is for number 2,5. Yeah. Okay, I'll have a look at your book now. No? Just hang on. So the next answer is 8,43. Yes. The next one. 29,43. You guys are missing out this adding of decimals and subtracting. No? Number and multiplication is actually number 11. Number 13, 15 rand and 24 cents. Number 15, 282,16. So 82 rand and 282 rand and 60 cents. Number 17, 52,25. Number 19 is 526 rand and 31 cents. Number 19 is 79 rand and 35 cents. Number 23 is 52 rand and 20 cents. Number 25 is 25 rand and 20 cents. Let me just see your book, Michael. Yeah. Now you see here, no? This is skill 12. Let me just check it. Skill 12, number 1. Skill 12, number 1. So it's 16, 17, 18. There's 10, 13, 14. The second one, no? Now yeah, that is fine, that is fine. What's your next problem you had?
Nothing, sir.
But you didn't read that? Oh, so I had wrong. Right, nice, sorry about that. So you're fine?
Yeah,
Right, come Michael, let me just see your book. Which one?
For this one, sir.
Which number is this? 21.
Next one.
That's fine. Number 21. Where do you get this from?
It's water. 12.
12. Skill this, skill 12.
Yeah, it's number 21.
What is here?
Yeah.
What is the total bill? So it's going to be 6 Rand 50, which you have. 11 Rand 55, which you have. You got 8 Rand 10 cents, which you have. 6 Rand and 30 cents, which you have. And 2 Rand 90, which you have. So it's 5, 5, 8, 9, 18, 23 is 3. 3 is 11, 17, 18, 19, 25 is 30. What answer did I give for 21? Skill 12, number 21. I said 79.35 cents. But what is the answer you guys got? Sorry? According to it's 35 Rand 35 cents. So the answer in the textbook is incorrect. What is the answer? 35 Rand and 35 cents. Okay. You all okay with that? Any other numbers that's the issue here? So it's just that, okay? It's very important to let me know the sums that you don't agree with. Okay, as you can see, sometimes the answer is wrong or sometimes I can be wrong. Yes, Michael?
So it's number 17.
17. Okay, let's look. That's the skill 12. Number 7. Okay, no problem. Skill 12, number 17. Skill 12. This one here. Skill 12, number 17. Is it on page 65? No? 68. Alright, so the question says simplify, you calculate whatever. Okay. So here we're going to divide. We can do long division or short division, doesn't matter. So you want me to do long division, no problem. Okay, it's fine. I always do short division. Somebody asks long division. Now you mustn't shout short division. Okay? So if you note, I always do short division. Okay. So don't be like that. Okay. So 6 going to 3, can it go? No. Here goes dot. Carry? 3. Okay. Now you see I'm already doing short division. So 0 times 6 is 0. Carry down the 1. 6 goes into 31 how many times? 5 times. 5 times 6? 30. Minus 1. Not so. So I bring down the 3. 6 going to 13 how many times? Twice. 2 times 6? 12. Minus 1. Bring down the 5. I don't use the comma. Leave the comma for now. 6 goes into 15 how many times? Twice. 2 times 6 is 12. Minus you get 3. Bring down 0. 6 goes into 30 how many times? 5 times. 5 times 30 is? 5 times 6 is 30. Minus? No remainder. You see where the comma is in the line here? So I put a comma. Sorry? If you are, listen, if you are okay with long division, you do long division. Yes, Michael?
So can you do number 19?
19. I'm going to give you 2 sums to do for homework. And then we're going to do some long division on Monday. Okay, every day, I'll give you 2 sums. When I mark your test, many of you, I don't know if it's of this class or the other class, but more than half of you got, in between the 2 classes, got the sum wrong. Okay, so every day, just remind me, you start off with a long division, and then we carry on. Okay. The sum I want you guys to divide is 78321 divided by 23. Okay. The same number, 78321, we divided by 73. Okay. Now can you put another zero here? Just make it exciting. Okay. I know somebody asked a question. We will hear now what the question is. Let's check if that's on the... Right, I didn't put my calculator in yet, but it's fine. You guys are not allowed to use a calculator, okay? But when you are done, check it on the calculator, okay? But do not do it with a calculator, okay? Why? Because in the exam, you are not allowed to use a calculator, okay? So play around with that, and let's master this long division, okay? Right now, for homework. Okay. Somebody asked a question with regards to skill 12. It was number 19. Okay. Now this one I'll do short division. Number 19. You all have the sum down, eh? Right. Right. So again, let's go with this. So it's going to be 3684,17 divided by 7. Get 7 going to 30 into 3? No. Into 36, how many times it goes? 5 times. 5 times 7 is 35. Minus 36 is the remainder 1. Not so. 7 goes to 18 how many times? Twice. Which is 14. The remainder 4. 7 goes into 44 how many times? 6 times. The remainder 2. 7 going to 21? 3 times. 7 going to 7? Once. You see, in line with this, the comma goes. Okay, it's all attached. Let's try again. In line with this here, the comma goes. Okay. Any other problems? No. Okay, late? Math is boring, no? Oh, the Bodmas is boring. Alright? Yes?
So, in Ch4 you give us questions that will have remainders.
I'm sure the sum I gave you for homework would have a remainder. But yes. If not, why not? Would you like a remainder?
No, it's just when you have a remainder, it seems like
It's wrong. Yeah. Don't worry about it. There will be remainders. There will be. Don't worry. That reminds me now. So I got my first question for my next exam. A sum that has a remainder. Right. Anything else? Right. Then I gave you from the decimal extension. I gave you a couple of sums there. The first one being number 1. Correct? Right. Number 1's answer is 2, okay, listen. It's 2,3, 2,01, 1,099, 1,8, 1,07, 0,98, 0,89. Is that correct? Right. Did you have to do B? No. Odd letters. Okay, let's just do A, C, and so on. Okay. If we did everything, no problem, but I'm just going to mark the odd letter. I need to get done so that I can do some new work. Okay. 1C, 0,98. The next one is 0,9, then 0,87, then 0,81, then 0,8, then 0,799, 0,787, and 0,78. E, 4,85, 4,1, 4,7, 4,075, 4,01, 3,92, 3,905, 3,9, 3,89. Okay. Did I ask you to do number 2? No? Number 5. Oh, this one. You like me to do this one on the board?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Okay, I'll do both. Relax. I'll do both. I like stuff like this. Problem. This is basically a problem solving. Okay.
So realistically, the second one, is it practically just short?
Short. Okay, so this is from your decimal extension. Decimal extension. Spell no, not spell that. Should be an extension. Extensions. Alright, and it's on page 70. Okay. Alright, so let's see what the question else was. Okay. Okay, this is too big. So we are told here, complete the name and height on the height labels. Okay. We got the names here and we got the heights and so on. Okay. So this guy here is the shortest. No? So let's put them in order. So that's it. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Not so?
Yes, sir.
Right. Niri is taller than Ch4. So Niri is taller than Ch4. Just looking from the first one. I never read anything else. Okay. So Niri is shorter than Ch4. Okay. So Ch4 is taller. Not so?
Yes.
Okay. This is taller, no? Niri is taller. Sorry, other way around. This is taller, no? Naomi is taller than Nola. So she is taller between the two, no? Nola is just taller than Niri. So they're very close to each other. No. Nola is just taller than Niri. Okay. Okay, well, let's put the names you have in first. Okay. What did you guys have here? Sorry? Nola. You say Nola is the tallest. Okay. Let's just go with Naomi, no? No. Naomi. Okay. And then? Nola. Okay, just hang on. We'll sort out afterwards, okay? Then? Niri. Then? Ch4. No problem. If it's wrong, it's fine. Don't worry. Just hang on. Okay. So let's read. So if we read this, it must conform to the names that we have. Okay. Is Niri taller than the Ch4? Niri is taller than the Ch4. Is that the case? Yes. So that one is correct. It adheres to what we have. Not so. The next one, Naomi is taller than Nola. Naomi, Nola. Is that the case? Yes. Nola is just taller than Niri. So Nola is the second tallest, or the second shortest, sorry. Nola is just taller than Niri. So Niri is shorter than Nola. Niri is shorter than Nola. This is Niri. Why? Listen. See, it says here, Nola is just taller than Niri. Which means Nola is not taller than anybody else. Just means only. You guys understand? Yes, Michael?
So on the first block I have Nola. The second block.
So this is not right. Right. So you all agree this is Naomi. So the person who gave this, you're out now, no? How can I give that? Somebody gave it and I wrote it. Okay, I mixed it up. Okay, it's mine. I take it upon myself, my. Okay, Naomi's on his place. No. Okay, so let's go again. What is the first person? Nola. You all agree? Yes, they're right. Okay. Shh. Okay, just hang on. You see, you're telling me I gave those names. But you guys can't agree on something. But it's fine. Just hang on. Hang on. I can't make it, otherwise the word's going to be off the board. Yes, just hang on. Give me a chance. This was number 5. So here we have Niri. They have Niri to be 152,5. Then you have Ch4 is 138,9. Then you get Naomi, who was 174,9. Then we got Nola, which was 150,3. Right. So, the tallest is Naomi. Say Naomi. Okay? Second tallest is this one here. Who is? Niri. Okay? We will see now if it works. Just hang on. The next one is Nola. And then Ch4. Okay. It's fine. And of course those numbers go into here. Right, let's read. Niri is taller than Ch4. Niri is taller than Ch4. Is that the case? Yes. Naomi is taller than Nola. Naomi is taller than Nola, which is correct. Then he says, now coming to this one that we're confused about. Nola is just taller than Niri. Nola is, you see what I was telling you earlier on? Nola is only taller than Ch4. No. Nola is just taller than Niri. Nola, okay. Nola is just taller than Niri. This is not right. Nola, okay. Nola is just taller than Niri. Nola. So if you read this as it is, Nola is just taller than Niri. Then between the two, without looking here, Nola is taller. Not so? Yes. But if we look here, so this is not right. So the answer in the book is also wrong. Okay. So the answer, did I make a mistake writing it down? Niri? That's the same. Naomi is the tallest according to the book. Okay? followed by Niri, which is the second tallest. Then Nola is this one. So my naming is correct according to the answers of the book. So the answer of the book is not right. Okay. So do you all agree Niri is on the right place? No. Okay. Is Nosipi on the right place? Yes. Naomi? Yes. Nola is not. Okay, so Nola belongs here. Right. Niri is here. Okay. Let's try again. Let's read. This is our contention. Where we differ. Right. Niri is taller than Nosipi. Niri is taller than Nosipi. That is correct. Naomi is taller than Nola. Naomi is taller than Nola. Correct. Nola is just taller than Niri. Nola is just taller than Niri. So it's not only. What they're trying to say is, in comparison to its height, it's just about taller. I wouldn't have named it like this. That is, I think, the confusion comes in here.
Yes.
No? You all agree with that? Because if I read this, Nola is just taller than Niri, that means to say Nola is not taller than anybody else, to me. Okay. But if they wanted to say that Nola is only taller than Niri, I would say that Nola or you can say the difference between Nola is just taller than Niri, and the distance, the difference in height is minimal, or the smallest. Then I could have considered this part here. Can you see that? The distance between it. But I think that is where the misunderstanding is coming. Okay, and then, so now it conforms to what we're looking at. Nosipi is the shortest. I think we had to start here, and then but there wasn't a dispute there. No? There was never a dispute. The height of the forewoman is that thing. So of course the tallest height is Naomi, which is 174,9, which makes that correct. The second tallest is 152,5. So it's Nola. Is that correct? 152.5. And the last one, and the second shortest is 150. Is that correct? 3, and the shortest is 139. 38,9. So that Naomi is correct. Josipe and Niri is one. There is a mistake. So that is going to be 150,3. And Josipe, that is correct. And Nola is 152,5. Okay, we just change this. Recipe is correct. Nola. Okay. You think we should do the boys? No. Okay. You say the boys more confusing. Okay, so let's leave the boys for now. We had the girls' school, so we only look at the girls. Okay. Right. What else did I give you to do? Number 10. Right. Let's look at number 10. People, for homework, I don't think we will reach there. The homework is going to be from the Bodmas, Book A, Worksheet 3, the odd numbers. Okay. Book A, Worksheet 3, the odd numbers. Okay. Right, let's go to number 10. from the decimal extension. Okay, I have to explain that as well. So for homework, you got that long division. You have Bodmas, Book A, Worksheet 3, and we're moving on to the next chapter, which is yes. The next topic I want you guys to do is percentages. Yes, I know some of you, many of you are good in percentages, eh? It's something you've dealt with in primary school as well. Eh? The percentages is chapter 5. I want you guys to do skill 1 to skill 4. It's on page 75. Okay? It's on page 75. I want you guys to do skills 1 to 4. It's a diagnostic test on percentages. Okay. Diagnostic test on percentages. Okay. Page 75. Okay, so you guys know what your homework is, no? Okay. People enjoy the weekend. Good morning, class.